Hello, my fellow content creators. Welcome to a special in-depth guide on how to take your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers to a thriving community in just 3 simple yet effective steps. Yes, you heard that right, it is absolutely possible. And today, we're going to walk you through each step, providing you with all the insights and strategies you need to succeed on your YouTube journey. Step 1. Create engaging and high-quality content. The very cornerstone of any successful YouTube channel is the content it produces. In this first step, we will dive deep into the essential aspects of creating content that not only captures the attention of your viewer but keeps them coming back for more. 1.1 Finding your niche. Discovering your passion. The first step is to explore your own interests and expertise. What are you truly passionate about, and what knowledge or skills do you possess that could resonate with an audience? Identifying your niche. After discovering your passion, the next crucial step is to identify a niche within your chosen area of interest. A niche helps you focus your content and attract a specific audience that shares your enthusiasm. 1.2 Research and planning. Analyzing your competitors. Conduct thorough research on other YouTubers in your niche. Identify their strengths and weaknesses, and see what types of content are resonating with their audience. Creating a content calendar. Consistency is key on YouTube. Develop a content calendar to plan your video releases in advance. This will help you stay organized and maintain a regular posting schedule. Evergreen and trending topics. Strike a balance between evergreen content, topics that remain relevant over time, and trending topics, subjects currently popular in your niche. This ensures a steady flow of new and long-term viewer. 1.3 Equipment and editing. Basic equipment. You don't need fancy gear to start. A good smartphone camera, decent lighting, and clear audio are sufficient for beginners. Invest in better equipment as your channel grows. Tips for video shooting and editing. Learn the basics of framing, lighting, and composition. Invest time in editing your videos to enhance their quality and engagement. The importance of good audio. Crisp and clear audio is often underestimated. Viewer will forgive lower video quality, but poor audio can be a deal breaker. Step 2. Optimize your channel for discovery. Once you have fantastic content, the next crucial step is to ensure people can find it. In this step, we'll delve into the strategies and techniques to optimize your YouTube channel for discoverability. 2.1 Channel branding. Creating an eye-catching channel banner. Your channel banner is the first thing visitors see. Design a captivating banner that represents your brand or niche. Crafting a compelling channel description. Write a concise but informative channel description. Explain what your channel is about and why viewers should subscribe. 2. SEO and keyword research. How to perform effective keyword research. Keyword research helps you understand what your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, YouTube's auto-suggest feature, or third-party tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush to find relevant keywords. Optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use your researched keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Make sure they accurately reflect the content of your videos, increasing the chances of appearing in search results and recommendations. 2.3 Thumbnails and click-worthy titles. Designing attention-grabbing thumbnails. Your video thumbnail is the visual hook that entices viewer to click. Create eye-catching thumbnails that convey the essence of your video and pique curiosity. Crafting click-worthy video titles. Your video title should complement the thumbnail. Make it intriguing, clear, and relevant to the content. Avoid clickbait, as it can damage your channel's reputation. 4. Collaborations and networking. Building relationships with other YouTubers. Networking within your niche is a valuable strategy. Reach out to fellow YouTubers for potential collaborations or cross-promotions. Collaborations can expose your channel to a wider audience. Leveraging collaborations for exposure. When collaborating, ensure that your content aligns with your partner's audience. Cross-promote each other's channels to maximize the impact of collaborations. Step 3. Engage with your audience and stay consistent. Engagement and consistency are the keys to building a loyal subscriber base. In this final step, we'll share tips on how to foster a thriving YouTube community. 3.1 Respond to comments. The importance of engaging with your viewer. Interaction with your audience creates a sense of community and connection. Respond to comments on your videos and engage in meaningful conversations. Handling negative comments and criticism. Not all feedback will be positive. Learn to handle negative comments gracefully. Constructive criticism can help you improve. 2. Consistent upload schedule. The benefits of a consistent posting schedule. Consistency is reassuring to your audience. It sets expectations and helps build trust. Develop a posting schedule that suits your content creation capacity and stick to it. Tools to help you stay organized. Utilize scheduling tools or content management calendars to plan and schedule your uploads in advance. This can reduce stress and ensure you meet your posting schedule consistently. 3. Promote on social media. Leveraging other social platforms to grow your YouTube channel. Don't limit your promotion to YouTube alone. Share your videos on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Each platform has its unique audience. Creating a posting strategy. Plan your social media promotion strategy. Determine the best times to post and use relevant hashtags and keywords to increase visibility. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of our comprehensive guide on how to grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers to success. Remember, building a YouTube channel is a journey that requires time, dedication, and patience. But armed with the right content, optimization techniques, and audience engagement strategies, you can turn your passion into a thriving online community. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more invaluable tips and tutorials on content creation and YouTube growth. Your support means the world to us. Feel free to leave your questions, thoughts, or suggestions in the comments section below. We absolutely love hearing from our community and helping you on your YouTube journey. Thank you for choosing to watch, and we wish you the best of luck on your exciting YouTube adventure.